Hi Bobcats! Today we're going to talk about text entry as a submission type. The first thing you're going to need to do is find your assignment. It may be under assignments, modules, hyperlinked on a page, really depends on where your teacher organizes their assignments. At the top, once you found it, will be the title of the assignment, and underneath will be information like the due date, how many points it's worth, and how your teacher wants you to turn in your work. Here we're talking about text entry box. Underneath the technical details of the assignment will be the directions for the assignment. As always, you need to read those directions before doing anything. The directions might even include a slideshow or a video that can help you with your assignment. Once you're ready to do the assignment, you need to click the green Submit Assignment button to open up the text entry box that you can type in. Simply click in the box and type your answer. Don't forget to use great grammar, punctuation, capitals, and spelling. If you're talking math, there are even ways where you can do exponents and other mathematical operations right here. If you're typing a paragraph, you can indent. If you're making a list for your teacher, you can make a list for your teacher. Or perhaps you want bullet points instead. You can underline, italicize, and make bold your information as well. You can include links and pictures in your answer as well, even a graph, grid, or table. Once you're done typing your answer in the box, make sure you click that green Submit Assignment button again to turn it in to your teacher. You don't want to do all that hard work and not get credit for it. Woo! And in the corner, you can see that I've gotten a confirmation that I've submitted my assignment. I hope this helps, Bobcats.